To integrate Office 365 OneNote into Canvas, you will be signing in to your 365 account first. So you can start with https://www.onenote.com/LTI, and then you can go ahead and click on sign in, and then you come here to register your LMS, in this case Canvas. You can just give it a name that's unique. If you have a multiple LMS, then you will give it different names. But for now, I'm going to just go ahead and use Canvas for Seattle Central, and then go ahead and register it. And then I'm going to have to, that didn't work. Let me go back. So I refresh the page and then register. Okay, that worked. All right. So now you have a few information that you would need to save it somewhere safe, so that when you integrate 365 into Canvas, you will need this. So for example, the consumer key, share the secret, and launch URL. So I'm going to just copy this. Can I copy the whole thing? No. I guess I have to do it one at a time. Okay, hold on. Just copy this. Control C or right click, copy. And then I'm going to open just a simple file. I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to come down here and copy this. I want to make sure that I copy this part as well. So copy, select that, copy it, and paste it. All right, so I'll keep this somewhere safe so that I can integrate or link between 365 and Canvas. By the way, you may have already have figured it out that I am already logged in Office 365. Just you can see in the top right corner, you'll see my name. In your case, you will just have to, let's see, from the previous page, you will be asked to log into your Office 365. Okay, so obviously you're going to be using the Seattle College Study.edu account. Okay, so once you do that, you'll also notice that there's a link to Canvas, link to a kind of video instruction for Canvas by instructor. So go ahead and click that, and this video will show you, this is about 7 minutes long, and it shows all the details that you'll need to know, which in some part that I'll be covering in next few minutes. So this is very helpful video, so you should watch it. All right, so for me, the next step is, let me see if I can just move this down a little bit so you can see. Maybe not, we'll see. Okay, so next step is going into my Canvas course. So my Natural Science 101 shell, I go down to the settings. So here I am in a process of linking my Office 365 account with my shell, this course shell within my Canvas. So go to settings, and then in the top click on the apps tab, and then search for OneNote, and you'll see the app. So go ahead and click that, and then you'll be adding OneNote class notebook. Just go ahead and click on the add app button, And here you're going to be needing consumer key as well as a shared secret. So I have saved that information. So consumer key, I just copy this, Control C and Control V, go back there and share the secret, Control C, Control V. So this will allow 365 to link with Canvas, my Canvas shell. So there you go. So it is on the installed apps. I have that. It's already installed. So that's good. So once it is installed, you should be able to get the link to OneNote class notebook. So to get that, just go ahead and click on the settings button one more time, so that will refresh the settings, and then go to the navigation on the settings, and you should see class notebook that is added. Otherwise, if you don't see it, it's got to be somewhere down here, but you should see it. All right. In any event, you should see the link to class notebook on the course navigation bar, and then it will show, let's see, that's the name of the notebook that is assigned to this class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And then you have a list of options of using OneNote in Canvas. So for example, collaboration space that is editable by the teacher, the instructor, as well as a student. And here's another example would be content library. So this is where you can just share your contents with the class. And the third one is student notebooks. That is sorry about that. Anyway, so this is for sharing the space with the teacher. Teacher can edit it, and then students will have his or her own individual instance of the OneNote that you'll be sharing. So that they have different purposes. Okay, let's go to the next step. So click on next. All right, so here's an option for adding another instructor in your notebook class. So I'm going to just go ahead and skip that. Just click on next. And then here's an option. You just, by default, it's the students in your Canvas shell will be automatically added into the OneNote notebook. So that's the option. So click on next. And then here you can just add a new additional section so that you can organize your notebook better the way you want it. Click on next. All right, so let's see. We just gonna have to wait a little bit, and then it'll be populated here. All right. And then once it's ready, just go down here and click on Create button. So depending on your browser, the look may be a little bit different. And you have a few options here, like adding new class notebook, and then adding students and teachers and so on, and managing the notebook, as well as the guides. This is very helpful, this user guide. This is for the teachers, and it shows how to set up and use notebook in your class and how to distribute and things like that. All right, and then you will definitely need the add-in, and you will need to install this on your Office computer, not in Citrix. Citrix does not support that, at least for now. And you will need your home computer or your office computer. And I think that for your office computer as well, you need the IT services. All right, so let me show you the other view. So this is Firefox, and basically the same options. And here you have learn more about and engage with OneNote here, and you can click on download the add-in. So I'm going to go ahead and click that.